Hey guys, I know a lot of people are always asking questions about shoe cleaning, so this is what I want to do with, again, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I'm on a tight budget. I started poshing and it's grown, but I really don't want to buy like a bunch of like all these crazy things. I try and use what's around my house personally. I'm going to take a Sharpie off the bottom of these guys' shoes. It's on both. Really, it doesn't take much. Like, I hear some people talk about like these crazy things, and I'm like, I'm listening, and I'm just like, why? Like, you guys are making it harder than it has to be. It's really simple. So I'm going to show you guys that today. Okay, so most of the time, I don't have a problem with a magic eraser. I've never actually done it with alcohol. I hear a lot of people do it, so that's why today I brought some alcohol over here. I use it sometimes for other things, but I want to actually try one shoe with alcohol and one shoe with a magic eraser, and I want to see which is better, because I feel like so many people are like, it's the alcohol, and other people are like, it's a magic eraser. So like, let's test it out today on these lovely Guess shoes that I got. What was this price? $6.25, so it would have been half off because I wouldn't have paid more. I actually might have got these for $1. Yeah, I believe I did get these for $1 from another way that I source. That will be for a later video. Some new way, not at thrift stores or yard sales, something that I don't think most people are doing that I've kind of come up with. That will be for another video. So, shoe A, we are going to do the magic eraser, and let's see what happens. So, let's see, we have, you can see there's like these 040, I don't know, some code, whatever. So we're going to just go for it. It's a little awkward of a spot because the heel, but I want to make it so the best so you guys can see it. It's really, in my experience, I use a magic eraser, and it just takes a little bit of time and elbow grease, and it's really simple. Like, all these people saying all these like really confusing things, like, you need about this supply, then you need to do this, and you make a concoction of this plus this, and it'll be gone. And I'm just like, why? Why are you doing this to yourself? You're making it harder. Get some magic erasers, call it a day. It literally takes a few minutes. So let's see. You can see a little tiny bit left. It's pretty much almost gone at this point. I don't know how long that mark was on there. My death pile is shoes. I hate cleaning and posting shoes. So that's my death pile. So like, I probably sourced this last summer and it's just been sitting here, and now I'm trying to like finally get through it because, you know, winter's gonna be ending, so I'm gonna lose the chance for boots, and summer's gonna be coming, and if I don't get it up fast enough, people are gonna go elsewhere. So, because obviously, like, who wants to leave the price too on the bottom? Like, oh, I just paid $30 for this in your closet, but you got it for 25 cents? Like, I mean, I'd be a little agitated. As you can see, it's gone. Like, that wear on the G was already there. I hope you can kind of see it. It's drying, so that's why, like, it kind of, like, looks a little, I think I turn it a certain way. Nope. Stupid window messing up my life right now. Don't look at my Christmas card thing that's still up from Christmas. I need to take it down. It's like the one decoration, but I forgot. Do you guys ever forget like one decoration in your house? Yeah, it was my Christmas card thing. But it's totally gone. It's absolutely like there's nothing left. Like, you'll see the pictures on there and it's gone. Gone, gone, gone. Magic eraser, bro. So now I want to try this method that all these other people I'm always hearing about alcohol, and I'm just curious, like, to see if does it work the same, does it work better, does it not work? Like, I'm really curious about that. So I have this towel. I know a lot of people say like they use cotton swabs, so we're gonna just go for it with the alcohol. I'm just gonna like kind of saturate it because I've never done this, so I don't know how much I really need. And we're just gonna scrub, and already I can tell, like, nothing's worn off. Like, right away, like my magic eraser, like right away, I know. I'm like, it's already almost gone. So guys, all you people that saying alcohol is the trick, have you actually tried it yourself, or did you read it somewhere? Because I think you're being a little deceitful. Let's try it with like a more like scrubby, I don't think a cotton swab would really change that, but I'm gonna try more of like a scrubby towel. But as of right now, alcohol is doing jack. Yeah, like it's like I don't even think it's even lightly different. Like it looks the same to me. Like it looks fresh. So yeah, we're gonna take a picture of the difference and then I'm gonna finish it up with the magic eraser. Okay, so you clearly saw the alcohol did not work on this shoe. Shoe B, alcohol was a fail. I don't know if you guys are using some kind of different alcohol. I thought anytime I hear people talk about it, they just say, just alcohol, it's just alcohol. It comes right off, it's so easy. That, my friend, does not work, so don't waste your freaking time. And I'm gonna just finish this one off with my handy dandy magic eraser because I'm obsessed with these. Like, I use them for cleaning my house. I use them for everything. I use them to take the whites off shoes, Converse. You can literally make that toe of a Chuck look brand new. Like, I buy my kids used all the time and they can literally be destroyed. And I clean it and I'm like, looks new to me. Like, I mean, it does take a little bit of like the shine off those type of shoes, but I mean, if they're dirty anyway, you're not seeing the shine anyway, so whatever. Okay. Again, before, and we're gonna go. Right. Minus some bubbles that I gotta wipe off. Again, the magic eraser takes the win. Clearly, like, so again, you guys are saying rubbing alcohol, trying to be helpful. It's not. You're wasting people's time. So now you know. I'm sure nobody did it to be like deceitful or be like, I'm giving you more work. I honestly just think they didn't try it and they probably heard it or read it, and I'm telling you right now, magic eraser. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more videos. Also, you can find the links below to follow me on Instagram, check out my Poshmark closet, and find my All for Poshmark Facebook group, which can help answer questions on the spot. Thanks.